How to use aloe vera for skin lightening and whitening. Aloe vera with lemon juice for skin whitening. Lemon juice with aloe vera makes a great combination to make the skin tone fairer and lighter faster. You need to take 1 teaspoonful of lemon juice and mix that with 1 teaspoonful of aloe vera gel. Mix both of these natural ingredients. Take a little bit on the fingers and apply that on the face and massage gently. Keep that on the face and wash that overnight. You have to do that every day in order to get maximum benefits in skin lightening. Aloe vera with milk and honey for melanin control. Melanin makes skin tone darker. Melanin is also to be responsible for the skin pigmentation. So, to make the skin tone lighter, this melanin has to be controlled. Take aloe vera gel around 1 teaspoonful and put 1 teaspoonful of milk in it and mix. Then mix half teaspoonful of honey in that. Apply this on the face and massage lightly with the fingers. This remedy has to be kept overnight. Wash this with normal water in the morning. Use this aloe vera for skin lightening remedy every day to get skin fairness. Other than the aloe vera gel, aloe vera juice can also be used to lighten your skin complexion by few shades. You can daily apply aloe vera gel on the face at night and wash in the morning.